Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta fuel pump issues and discusses potential problems that can affect fuel delivery in certain situations. Fuel pump-related problems in the Ford Fiesta can involve inconsistent fuel pressure or interruptions in fuel flow, which may lead to difficulty starting, engine hesitation, reduced performance, or unexpected stalling. These concerns have been documented across multiple model years, though the exact behavior can vary depending on engine type, mileage, and maintenance history. In verified technical information, common patterns linked to fuel pump concerns may include electrical supply irregularities, where overtime within the pump assembly, or contamination in the fuel system. In some cases, fuel delivery issues could be related to associated components that manage pressure and flow rather than the pump itself. Older vehicles may be more prone to wear-related factors, while newer models could show issues tied to electronic control or sensor interaction, depending on the configuration. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions typically focus on proper inspection of the fuel delivery system, checking electrical connections, verifying fuel pressure, and addressing any contaminated fuel or worn components. Repairs are not universal and depend on the confirmed cause in each individual vehicle. Across verified sources, fuel pump-related concerns are generally addressed through systematic diagnosis rather than assumption, since symptoms can overlap with other fuel or engine management issues. Outcomes and repair experiences can differ based on usage conditions and vehicle history. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta fuel pump issues can present in different ways and are not identical across all model years or vehicles. Careful diagnosis is essential to determine whether the fuel pump or a related system is involved. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.